SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to set an alarm on iPhone 15 Pro. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone has a default clock app that allows you to perform a number of different tasks. Included among these tasks is the option to set an alarm on your phone. This means that you can have your phone alert you when it's time to wake up, or if there's a specific event during the day that you would like to be reminded about. If you'd like to create an alarm on your iPhone, then you just need to open the clock app. You can then select the Alarms tab that appears at the bottom of the screen, and then you can tap the plus button that appears at the top right of this screen. That's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this, where you're going to be able to create the alarm. You can adjust the time by using this wheel at the top of the screen, and once you have the time chosen correctly, you can select which days of the week you would like this alarm to repeat on. So if you wanted the alarm to go off every weekday, then you could tap on repeat, and then you could choose each of the weekdays on which you would like that alarm to go off. Once you're finished selecting the days, you can just tap the back button, and then you can choose whether or not to give the alarm a label, which is an easier way to identify it on the list of alarms. Or if you want to change the sound for the alarm, then you can tap on the sound button, and then you can scroll down through the list of sounds until you find the one that you want to use. Once you've chosen the sound, then you can go back to this menu, and then you can choose whether or not you want to have the snooze feature available to you. Currently my snooze feature is set to on, but if I didn't want to have an option for snooze, then I could tap that to turn it off. Once you're finished, just tap the save button at the top right corner of the screen, and now you'll see that alarm has been saved and it should automatically be set to on. You can turn the alarm on or off manually by just tapping the button to the right of it.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.